Wow, that's my girl. She sent this LavvieBot for me. LavvieBot is the most intelligent IoT cat litter box ever.
Lavvie with LavvieBot.
This is the Litter Robot, an automatic self-cleaning litter box for cats. Leo loves a clean litter box and clean paws. The Litter Robot cleans itself after each use, leaving a fresh bed of litter every time. Leo has 2 sisters. The Litter Robot is perfect for multiple cat households. As Leo ages, he may not be as active or see as well. The Litter Robot has an optional ramp and a night light to make life easier on your aging pet. Your cat needs the Litter Robot. This cute cat agrees.
Litter Robot is made in the USA and backed by an 18-month warranty and 90-day money-back guarantee. Free shipping when you order today.
CatGenie is so much more than self-scooping. It's the world's only self-flushing, self-washing cat box. With CatGenie, you can say goodbye to cat litter forever. Unlike litter boxes, CatGenie uses washable granules that are clean like new after each use and never need changing. When your cat visits their CatGenie, liquid waste drains into an odor-killing Sani solution. Then solids get scooped into the hopper to be liquefied, and all waste is flushed down the drain or toilet and out of your home for good. Next, our Petsafe vet-approved Sani solution mixes with fresh water to wash and scrub the bowl and granules clean as new. After washing, the CatGenie hot air dries the bowl and granules, constantly adjusting the heat temperatures to use the least amount of energy possible. Using a Genie dome further reduces the energy used by recirculating warm air inside the CatGenie. In the rare instance when a piece of waste is left behind, the Genie dome will keep the air inside to ensure there are no odors. You simply tell CatGenie when you want it to clean using your control panel or the CatGenie app. Your CatGenie can clean on demand, automatically after each use, or at scheduled times each day. With CatGenie, your cats will have a bathroom that is more hygienic than your own. and you'll never touch cat litter again.
Stop living in the Stone Age with cat litter. It's time for a change. Instead of using dirty, dusty litter, CatGenie uses reusable washable granules and cleans them like new after every use. A one-time 15-minute do-it-yourself setup brings modern waste disposal to the cat box. When kitty goes, liquids and solids are easily disposed of down the drain or toilet and out of your home for good. CatGenie then thoroughly washes, scrubs, and dries the bowl and granules pure as new. There's even a CatGenie app to monitor your cat's health and get alerts if there are major changes to their bathroom habits or activity level. Enter the 21st century. Use soap to clean instead of sand. And never touch cat litter again.
Treat yourself to a litter-free lifestyle today.